Hair loss is a common issue, and coriander leaves and seeds can help strengthen hair follicles and prevent it. Coriander seeds provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, nourishing the scalp and promoting healthy growth. Hair loss can occur due to hormonal imbalances, nutrient deficiencies, and stress. Dandruff is a common issue, and coriander leaves and oil can help eliminate it due to their natural antifungal properties. Coriander oil soothes the scalp and discourages fungi growth, making it an effective and natural solution for maintaining a healthy scalp. Coriander essential oil is a natural shine enhancer that provides a vibrant, glossy appearance to hair. Its healthy sheen enhances the overall aesthetic of locks, making it an effective addition to your regular hair care routine for naturally radiant, lustrous hair. Coriander oil is a natural solution for oily hair, regulating sebum production on the scalp. Its unique properties prevent excessive greasiness and maintain an optimal oil balance. This helps maintain a refreshed, well-maintained scalp, promoting a clean and healthy appearance. It's a valuable ally for those seeking a natural solution. Coriander oil is a natural remedy for scalp irritation, providing relief from itching and redness. Its calming properties help alleviate dryness, sensitivity, and other scalp conditions. Regular use promotes a healthier scalp, promoting optimal hair health. Coriander seeds, known for their skin benefits, also benefit hair health by providing essential nutrients and vitamins that stimulate hair follicle activity, promoting healthy hair growth. Regular use of coriander seed-infused hair masks or rinses strengthens hair roots and prevents hair loss. Coriander leaves are a natural hair growth booster due to their antioxidant properties, which improve scalp blood circulation. This oil stimulates hair follicles, promoting new strand growth and reducing breakage. It also reinforces hair strands, making it an ideal addition to a comprehensive hair care routine. Coriander, a plant rich in vitamins K, C, and A, is essential for hair strength and growth. Consuming coriander water in the morning can reduce hair fall and breakage, and coriander oil or hair masks can also be beneficial.